Hi everybody, this is Handyman Dan. I'm coming to you from beautiful sunny South Carolina this morning, and we're going to show you today how to repair a Kenmore Elite model number W10082929A dishwasher. This is a pretty more of a premium dishwasher, and the issue that we have today is the door is falling down without any spring to hold it up. And it can be very dangerous if somebody's in the way, or you hit something, or maybe even break something. So to prevent further damage, we're going to pull this out and take a look and see what's wrong with it. I suspect that we have some kind of a spring mechanism on the door that needs to be replaced. But these dishwashers have various different mechanisms for the spring on the door, and we'll just have to open this one up and see what it has. So the first thing you do, tools that you'll need to have available for this is a Phillips screwdriver and a 5/16 ratchet. So the two screws that come out are right up under here that mount to the cabinet. These have to be removed, and then once those are removed, you can pull the dishwasher out. Now, a lot of the other videos say that you have to disconnect the water and the discharge and the power and everything that goes to this. But in this case here, this one here has enough slack that we're able to pull the whole thing out. Okay, so I removed those two screws, and I'm going to pull the dishwasher out. It's on rollers, so it'll come right out, and hopefully it'll reveal what the problem is with the door. So if you come around to this side here, you can see we've actually already removed it, but there is a pulley system here that normally has a spring attached to it, and you can see it over here on the other side. If we can come around over here, you can see the pulley system down here, and there's a rope, and it connects to a spring in the back, which is what puts the tension on. Only one of them is connected. What we found is the rope was broken and had to be replaced. Okay, so as I mentioned, we already found the broken part. This was the rope and the spring. Normally this is connected through the pulley system, and the spring is connected to the back here. So you can buy these as a set. You can buy the entire pulley system with the ropes and springs if you need it, but we don't need the spring. So we purchased just this group here. We actually ordered this online. It's very inexpensive. It was $4.99 for the two ropes and the two pulley mechanisms. So while I'm in there, I'm just going to go ahead and replace both of them, so that way they both have the same age on them. But yeah, that was ordered online from a place out in Arizona for $4.99. So we've got the dishwasher pulled out now, and we found the culprit. If you look closely here, this was the mechanism that I was speaking of. We just have a broken rope here. The spring is intact. The pulleys are actually okay, but we're going to go ahead and replace those. So to remove those, you're going to take your 5/16 ratchet, and you're going to loosen this off, and you pull this off. There's a little slot right here that will hold that in, okay? The new piece is a little bit different, but pretty much the same concept. This is the broken piece that normally holds the string around the pulleys here, and that's what is broken, so that comes off. This rope then comes off as well. And again, the spring's in good shape. So the good news and the bad news is the spring isn't broken. The bad news is the rope is, and this needs to be replaced. So this is a new piece. You can see the slot on the back. You want to put that into the slot here. You might take it, and then you will turn it down here. That'll kind of lock it in place. And you'll take the original screw and put that back in where it came out of, and you'll just tighten this down a little bit. Doesn't take much. Again, you don't want to attempt any of this without having your Milwaukee tools handy. Milwaukee offers a variety of all kinds of different tools. And Handyman Dan loves his Milwaukee tools. Okay, so this gets connected to the spring, and you want to bring this up underneath here. This is the retainer that will keep this rope from popping off. And you can see it appears it's a little bit short. So what you have to do is you have to put some tension on this, and this is how the spring works. So you're going to pull on this with a pair of pliers, and you're going to bring this up around, and you're going to put it on the slot, and voila, it's there. And so now you'll see, fortunately we only had one side to do. We're going to go ahead and replace the other side, but you can see how this works. Is you have tension on your door now, and it's no longer, you can see the door here is no longer falling down, it's coming down with stress on it. It's all because of that spring right there. So that's really all there is to this. We'll be putting it back together here shortly. Again, this is a Kenmore Elite model number W10082929A. It's actually a very good dishwasher, stainless steel inside on it. When we push this back in, we're going to want to be sure that we have this insulation intact. That just kind of keeps any of the heat that might be coming off the dishwasher from getting into your countertop or anything. So, but that's really all there is to it. It's actually a rather simple and inexpensive repair job, and we'll see you next time.